do is go to main page, XAML.cs. We're going to make some fairly significant changes here. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take out the property contacts, and we're going to replace that with a property for grouping. So we're going to start by saying that we have an observable collection of grouping, and that grouping, remember, takes a key and a type, and the key is string and the type is contact, and we're going to call that property contact group. The next thing we're going to do is take the last two lines in init, binding, context, and initialize component, and move them up into the constructor. We're then going to turn init from an async method that returns a task to a simple void method, and then we'll take out the remaining lines from init because we're going to change init significantly. We're going to once again create list of contacts, and we're going to populate that by calling contact generator, and on contact generator we will call create contacts. That's about where the similarity of what we had ends. Now we're going to create a variable sorted, and we're going to use a linked search of that list of contacts. We're going to pull out all the contacts, and we're going to order them by the first name, and then we're going to group them by the first letter of the first name, which we will turn into a string. And we're going to put the results of that into a temporary variable called the group, and now we are ready to select a new instance of grouping of string and contact by passing in the group key and the group itself. With that in place, we can take our property contact group, make a new instance, and notice that the IntelliSense was able to figure out what we wanted and pass in sorted. That's all the work we have to do in the code behind.